welcome to One Man's Collection. My name is Brett. Today I'm going to look up opening these Jada Bigtime Muscle. Picked up 4 of these from my local Kmart store actually. I've seen these in toy stores and Kmart now for the last probably over a year, and these particular ones came down really cheap recently. I don't know what happened, maybe a 50% sale or even more, and I'm like, you know what, they're not my usual type of car. I prefer the 143, 124 or 118. I have been picking up a few Hot Wheels. These are bigger than Hot Wheels in my opinion, but I figured, you know what, as dirt cheap, the few dollars they were each, almost the same price as a Hot Wheel, why not give them a go? Anyway, so I'm going to actually open them up and have a look. So we've got the 2010 Chevy Camaro. Now these are Jada packet things, so they have the large wheels. I've noticed a lot of the Jada stuff. I might have picked up a couple of other vehicles of theirs over the years. I do collect a lot of different type of diecast. One that I've actually picked up previously is this one here, the police car. I don't know why, but I believe it's a Jada Toys as well, and with the massive wheels, not quite as big as these ones, but I thought, you know what, why not? They do look pretty cool, but you can't see any more than what's in the plastic container, so I'm going to open them up. I'm going to say I've seen them for the last year. It's got to be at least a year now that I've seen these sitting on the shelf. I don't think they've come out with any new ones. They seem to have, at least in my store or the couple of stores that I go to, overpack them, so like overstock them. They must have got a lot of them. Got some flames on the top, Chevy badge on the front, Camaro written on the side, massive wheels. I think I know some kids that love these. Same thing, Jada Toys, made in China. 2010 Camaro SS used under license. So I'm guessing, you know, these are rubber tires. Yep. I was going to say the suspension, but there's not. It just goes from one side to the other. Nothing opens. Yeah, okay. Have a look at the next one, 2010 Ford Mustang GT. Same deal, it's got the massive wheels on the back. I did think, you know, I could potentially, if I want to sacrifice these, take them apart, use the wheels in other builds. Some of them are actually quite large. And I look at these ones at the back of both Camaro and the Mustang, and there's some decent weight in that one. And I'm thinking, well, I could potentially use these rear wheels on a 143 scale vehicle. Even the front ones, they're really massive. Drag wheels. What does it say? 2010 Ford Mustang GT. Yep, used under license, Jada Toys. Got GT written in silver on the side. It's got something across the back there. Got the, I'm guessing they're meant to be speakers in there. Black interior. You know, it's got rear seats as well. I'm not sure if they're meant to be lights in there. These things, 2 silver things, or because they're almost domed. And while I'm looking at this, I can almost see you could open up the bonnet there, or the grill has dropped. Not sure whether they've cut that a bit. Definitely the drag car look to it, with those rear wheels being so huge. See if I can get the light on it right. It's focusing on the writing there. Drag car. All right, 09 Corvette ZR1 or Z01 in the North America. think when they dropped the price, they started to run out of these, which is good. And I wonder if there's going to be a new lot coming through. That's got www.jadatoys.com on the side, Z01, and it does actually say, what's that? Super. Is it supercharged? I think it says. It's hard to read on with the. Yeah, it says supercharged. Just over the door frame there. Now this one doesn't have, so I don't think I got that quite right with my light. Doesn't have the large wheels. It does have smaller, skinnier wheels. Chevy badge on the centre at the back there. On the front as well. A few stripes. Tiny wheels at the front. I'm surprised it doesn't have the same deal. Maybe it's from a different time. And then the last one is the 08 Dodge Challenger SRT8. Got a bit of advertising there as well. Let's have a look. And there it comes. Goes out of the way. What's that, Mallory? Something or other. See if we can get that on. Do you know, that actually is, that one's done quite well. I like the Firestone written on the tyres. Hayes advertising and Jada advertising. Not a lot to the front. Oh, is that a mark? I think it's been rubbed back and forth in the plastic there and rubbed off that point. You can see the point on the bumper there. A little bit of white touch-up paint will be fine. So this has got quite wide wheels. Different wheels are these though. So these have got texture, grip, like actual texturing. This looks like it's slicks. So this looks more like your traditional drag wheels. Yeah, and the skinnies on the front. Right, I'm wondering if these two earlier releases or later. Let's see. We've got 08 and 09 and the other ones are 10s. Possibly. We do have stuff on the back, so there were 6 of these by the looks of it. Let's have a quick look. Let's see if I can fold. Oh man, I've missed out on a bunch of these. Oh, my favourite, the 65 Shelby Cobra. Wow, that would be nice. And a 70 Dodge Charger. Now, that looks like it's got similar wheels to the Corvette. Not so big. The ridiculous ones on the Mustang and the Camaro, which I already showed. I haven't been able to find this one. I tell you what, if I see that one in the shop, I will be getting it. Didn't actually know it was there. I've only seen the 4. The whole time I've been looking at it, there's only been 4 there. I like that. It's very similar to this one, isn't it? Yeah, my police one. With its wheels as well. What's the ID number on that? 932... Is it? 92304. Oh, you know what? That's actually got a completely different... The, was it 32679? Completely different IDs on these. 32680, 32682, 32681. Okay, these are definitely all released at the same time. That's 79, so that one was probably actually first. I think that one's done really well. That represents street drag car, as in a not too ridiculously hotted up. I actually like that. Mustang with the extra wheels, yeah, don't know. Drag wheels that size, man, too thin. You don't have the rubber on it. I think they're for car meet ones. This one's more your street, and this one's your definite drag strip, because look at the size of the rubber on that. Well done. Anyway, I'm waffling on. Jada Toys, cheap ones available. It actually looks like it's got a mark on it as well. There may be quality control needed on that. It's got something up the black paint there at the top. Actually looks like it might be part of the glue that they put something in. I don't know. Look, they're cheap. They're cheap. That'd be a bit of fun. That's not going to focus on that. Oh, there we go. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. If you've been able to pick them all up, or there's a whole bunch of others, let me know. I have seen at my local discount store somebody's selling a whole bunch of other vehicles. I don't think they're Jada though, that have these massive wheels. There's some really nice ones there. Decided not to get them though. Hot Wheels 143, yes. The others, no. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.